Hey everybody, and welcome to my new playlist on all things task management. I'm super excited to start this playlist. I think managing tasks is one of the most painful parts of a lot of my clients' lives, but it's also an area for so much refinement and opportunity to help make your life flow more easily and more calmly. So if your to-do list feels like it's completely unmanageable, then you are in the right place. And today we're going to take a quick look. In a previous video, I had talked about the 4 pillars of how to organize your digital life from a higher level holistic viewpoint. And today I'm just going to touch base quickly on where tasks fall in within the 4 pillars of organizing your digital life, and we'll describe how they interact with each of those pillars. And I mentioned that I had done a video previously on those 4 essential pillars. And if you missed that video, no problem. I'm going to link it below so that you can go check it out. And then I also want to do just a quick recap for you of what those pillars are. So let me exit. All right, so here we are, the 4 essential pillars of digital organizing. We've got email, calendar, tasks, and notes. So thinking of all of the incoming information that is flowing into all of our lives, emails, messages, Slack messages, Teams messages, texts, phone calls, just information that we're consuming, links, documents, etc. Reminders from your brain at 2 a.m. That information, it doesn't just sit there. I mean, sometimes it does, but ideally it is flowing into one of the other pillars, right? So we have the incoming information into our lives into pillar number 1, which is mostly email, but can certainly be, a variety of other streams. And then it moves downstream into one of the other pillars. A meeting might get added to your calendar, or an idea gets captured into your notes, or a next step becomes a task, which is the pillar that we're focusing on today. And here's the thing about tasks. They don't live in a vacuum, right? So they're constantly bumping into and borrowing from the other pillars. And when you organize them in isolation, everything just feels a little harder than it needs to, right? So here's how tasks interact with the other pillars. Let's say an email. A task might start in your inbox. Reply to this, follow up on that, review this attachment. A clean inbox equals a clear task list. Similarly, tasks need time. If they're not scheduled, they're probably not happening. The calendar is where you protect the space to actually get the stuff done. And then for notes, you might put meeting recaps there, brainstorms, idea dumps, right? But it's a gold mine for hidden tasks. So they need to be reviewed and processed regularly to make sure that tasks are being created as needed. So your big takeaway for today, tasks, yay, they are what move the needle forward. Okay, they are the actionable steps that help you reach your goals, serve your people, grow your business. But when you manage them separately from your email and calendar notes, that is when things get chaotic, or worse, just stagnant. So organizing tasks within the context of your full digital ecosystem is what creates calm and flow and progress, right? The good stuff. Okay, so what's next? Let's see if I can figure out how to hop back on camera. Ooh, I did it. Hi. Took me a second, but I did it. Here I am. So in the upcoming videos, we are going to dive into different areas of task management, like how to actually organize your to-do list, how to prioritize your tasks, how to break a big task down into smaller actionable steps. I think I'm going to do how to plan a trip. And finally, how to stop forgetting or avoiding how to do your tasks. So that's it for today. Now you have a clear picture of how tasks fit into the other 3, I should say, essential elements of organizing your digital life. and watch for the next video in this playlist where we are going to walk through how to prioritize your tasks. All right, thanks for being here and for watching, and I will see you in the next video.